Multiply 6,334 by 25 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 3 plus the carried 2 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 31. The first partial product is 31,670. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. The second partial product is 126,680. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 7 plus 8 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 6 plus the carried 1 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 1 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the 10 negative thousands column, 3 plus 2 is 5. In the hundred negative thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 158,350. So 6,334 times 25 is 158,350.